Okay, children, so let's see another topic called evaporation. Okay, so we all know what is evaporation. Evaporation is conversion of water into the water vapors, and that too with the help of heat. Yeah, so let's do this activity. Activity number 6, heat the beaker containing some water, right? Allow the water to boil. If you continue heating, would the water turn into steam? Yeah, here you can see what's happening. There is a tripod stand, there is a beaker, and there's water in that. Yeah, and you are heating it, right? Can you see the flame here? So you are heating it. Now, after heating continuously, water starts boil and water starts disappearing, right? And after some time the water completely disappears, right? Now add 2 spoons of salt to the water in another beaker and stir well. So now you have to take one more beaker, take a little water into it and add some 2 spoons of salt into it and start stirring it. After some time what happens? Can you see any salt in the beaker after stirring? No. Do you see any change in the color of the water? No. Now heat the beaker containing the salt water. Okay. So this beaker has water and salt, that we know because we have only added it, right? We have added the salt into the water, right? Now let the water boil away, and after that what happened? All the water will get evaporated, and what will be left in the beaker? Tell me, what will be left in the beaker? Water is disappeared, so only one thing will be left in the beaker, and that will be salt. Okay, so in this activity we used the process of evaporation, okay, to separate the mixture of water and salt. So this question appears sometimes. How do you separate the evaporation? How do you separate the mixture of salt and water? Question will come. How will you separate the mixture of salt and water? So children, how are you going to separate the mixture of salt and water? We are going to separate the mixture of salt and water with the help of a process called evaporation. So we use the evaporation, okay, process of evaporation to separate a mixture of water and salt. Okay, now please underline, this is the definition. The process of conversion of water into its water vapor is called evaporation. The process of evaporation takes place continuously wherever water is present. Okay, where do you think salt comes from? Seawater contains many salt. Okay, seawater contains many salts mixed in the seawater. One of these salts is the common salt. Okay, when the seawater is allowed to stand in the shallow pits, water gets heated up by the sunlight and slowly it turns into the water vapors through evaporation. In few days, what happened? Water vapors completely evaporates, leaving behind the solid salts. Common salt is then obtained from the mixture of salt by further purification. Okay, children. So water which we receive is called common salt, right? What salt we receive from the water? It is the common salt which we receive from the seawater. So how they are keeping the water to evaporate, collect it and let it evaporate, and then after some time you get all the salt deposited, and that salt is not very pure, no, like this, and that salt is impure salt. After that, it is purified, right? So I'll be showing you some pictures where this process of obtaining the salt from the sea water will be cleared. Okay. Okay children, here in the diagram you will see that see how water is allowed to rest. They are collecting the water, and can you see these are the sand, yeah, and they have made a square box like thing to collect the sand water into it. So here water is collected, you can see the water is collected here, and after some time the water salt get deposited, and they have to bring the salt on the edges. Can you see? So in the next picture you will see how this man is taking out the salt out of it, just pushing the salt, right, or pulling it. He's pushing it towards the edges, because salt get deposited in the water as the water gets as the water gets evaporated. In the next picture you will see how the water is being collected. Can you see the water? It's been collected here in the pit. This is a pit. See, can you see? They are the boundary made of mud or the sand. The boundary made of mud only. So these are the boundaries which are made of mud, right? And then water is collected here, and slowly what are they doing? The salt gets deposited. Can you see? Actually it gets deposited here in the water, right? And then they, with the help of a spade like thing, they just pull it towards themselves and collect it in the corner. Here in the next picture it will be very clear. Yeah, here can you see the salt here deposited? Can you see here white thing here collected? Yeah, so all the salt they get deposited under the mud bed, okay, sea bed, and then they collect it. Okay, so you can see they take out the salt and collect it, and the heap is collected here, right? And now it's very clear now how it is taking out the salt from the water. It takes out the salt, and this salt is the common salt. Okay, it means this man is on standing on the salt, children, so they are not purified salt. Then it goes for the purification, right? I hope now it is clear how salt is getting collected from the seawater. Yeah.